Hello everyone, today I'm going to share my presentation with you about deepfake investigation case study. Before we begin, I want to say that the video clip used in this presentation belongs to the original creator. What is deepfake? A deepfake is a fake video, photo, or audio made using artificial intelligence AI that looks and sounds real. It can make it seem like a person is saying or doing something they never actually did. Today I'm going to show you example of deepfake video.
Hello, baby. How are you doing today? I hope you are good. Honestly, I am not lying to you, and the way you treated me is not fair.
It was last year, probably mga December, siguro yung mga month of December. Ang app is Hoop. And then, nag-message siya na, "Hi, I'm Steven Williams, and I'm looking for a lifetime partner." Tapos, nag-background check ako. Kinuha ko yung picture niya, then yung name niya, chinek ko yung profile niya sa Hoop, nag-check ako ulit, saka inisa-isa ko yung picture. Tapos may nakita ako sa baba nung profile niya is yung TikTok account niya. Pinuntahan ko yung TikTok account niya. Nakita ko sa TikTok account niya may mga videos with the daughter, mga pictures. Tapos meron isang picture doon na nagtaka ako na ang picture is nasa ABS-CBN siya. Sabi ko, ha?
The documentary Love Scam actually show how scammers use fake videos, deepfakes of sport anchor Mix Bustos to trick people and steal his identity, use a fake voice, sign that indicate it is a fake or real, unnatural eyes and blinking, flawless skin and blurry edges, poor lip sync, and robotic audio, and lastly, inconsistent lighting and shadow. Verification method use: fast checking and source investigation, use truth scan AI, technical analysis. The second video about deepfake is about Amy Perez. Kapamilya host Amy Perez has warned her follower not to believe an edited video circulating on Facebook that made it appear that she uses and endorses a drug for women dealing with menopause.
Trinay ko yung Hormobalance and it's actually doing great sa akin kasi nawala yung hot flashes.
Ang kapamilya host na si Amy Perez ang pinakabagong personalidad na nabiktima ng deepfake o video na minanipula sa tulong ng artificial intelligence o AI. Sa isang sponsored post na kumalat sa Facebook, tila nag-e-endorso ng gamot para sa menopause si Chang Amy.
Talaga ako pinakinggan ko, ay, parang boses ko talaga. Ang galing, di ba? Pero sobrang nakakatakot.
Bagamat nakapanayam nga niya ang doktor sa dating morning show sa DZMM Teleradyo, iginiit ni Chang na wala silang pinag-usapang anumang produkto. Kaya babala niya sa kanyang followers, huwag tangkilikin ang naturang gamot.
Hindi ko tinetake yung gamot na yon ever. Ang nakakalungkot doon, ang daming babaeng nag-comment na puro tinatanong nila magkano yung produkto.
Lumalabas rin na ang nasabing gamot ay hindi rehistrado sa Food and Drug Administration, pero ginagamit pa rin ito ang logo ng DOH at FDA. Ayon sa eksperto, isa sa mga senyales na peke ang video ay ang pagka-splice o pagkakaputol-putol nito. May mga parte ring hindi swak ang audio sa bukas ng bibig ng nagsasalita.
Nagkakaroon na ng changes sa cycles.
Parang siyang dinub. In fact, that was where this technology started for dubbing purposes to make the dubbed videos more natural.
Isa pang mapapansin ani Ligot ay naka-loop lang ang video tulad ng ginamit sa fake ad na ito na tampok ang isang kilalang doktor. Dagdag ni Ligot, mahuhuli rin ang isang deepfake sa mga kakaibang tono o pagkakabigkas ng mga salita.
Kunyari, pesos becomes pesos kasi nga these technologies were developed in English.
Nababahala naman si Ligot na habang tumatagal, mas gumagaling at nagmumukhang mas makatotohanan ang AI technology. Kaya payo niya sa netizens, suriin din ang
Sign that indicate it is a fake or real. Lips not perfectly matching speech, blurry edges around the face, sudden lighting changes on the face, robotic or overly smooth voice, unnatural blinking or stiff expressions, and audio quality different from the video quality, plus fake endorsement of medicine investment or giveaway. Verification methods used: check the original source, look for the video on official pages or verified news accounts. If it only appears on random TikTok or Facebook reposts, be cautious. Impact on viewers: both deepfake videos can easily confuse viewers because they look very real and spread quickly on social media apps like Facebook and TikTok. When people watch these fake videos, they might believe wrong information, which leads to a lot of misunderstanding. This can cause people to feel tricked because they cannot tell what is real or fake. People may stop trusting real news and online content. Deepfakes can cause panic, confusion, or misunderstanding online. People may stop trusting real news and online content. Why do people believe this content? People believe deepfake content because it looks convincing, use trusted personalities, and spread quickly online. Without proper fact-checking and digital awareness, viewers can easily be misled. What emotion does it trigger? Deepfake content trigger emotions such as fear, excitement, curiosity, and trust to influence viewers and encourage them to believe or share the content quickly. What could be intention behind it? The intention behind deepfake content may include scamming people, spreading misinformation, gaining attention, or manipulating viewers' emotions and opinions online. Thank you.